Hello. I have figured out a surefire way to get rid of hiccups. Now, if you want this to work and you follow my instructions the way I, describe them to you, you shall get rid of hiccups. Guaranteed. Let me show you. So, I actually just had hiccups and did it again just to reassure myself. You have the hiccups. And that sucks. If you have them for so long, and sometimes it'd be, comical. Sometimes it's devastatingly comical. What you do is this. So yeah, take some deep breaths. You take your deepest breath in you can, like so. You blow it all the way out, and then you suck all the air in you can, and you hold it. And now this is the most crucial part. You hold in the breath as long as you can. You hold it in until you cannot hold it in any longer. This takes a while because your lungs can hold a lot of air. You can hold a lot of air. So just keep holding it. And what you do is when you feel like you have to breathe out, you breathe out with all your might, which I will show you. So for me, it's, I'm going to keep holding my breath till I can't hold it. See, hold it in. This is crucial. And then when you have to let it out, you breathe out as hard as you can. Like so. And then you won't have any more hiccups. That's it. Share it with your friends. Use it. That's how to get rid of hiccups.